help other people that are like, I don't hear anything.
If you heard something
Or saw something.
Why don't you come on up? If you feel like God was showing you something or spoke something to you. Anybody? There we go. Hey. Come on
up. Childlike faith, rest in the source. You are not broken.
So I just saw you like David, and you had a sling in your hand, and you were, yes.
What did he have in his hand?
A sling.
A sling. Like
Yeah.
David. Amen. He is a singer. What you got there? Oh. He's got a stone in his hand. Go figure that. Yeah. Like David.
Well, you're going to hit the bullseye, and the giant's going to come down.
Amen.
Yeah. I saw you. Yep. Whatever that giant is.
Whatever that giant is, it has to come down in your life. That thing that's been taunting you, tormenting you. He's pretty loud, but he has to fall. Amen.
So, yes, my daughter called me this week, and they were watching the new David cartoon movie, and the middle child, the middle child. So they're watching it, and all of a sudden she's like, David, you can keep playing, guys. So I'm, David, just throw the stone. Just throw the stone. And like when she told me that, I was telling Travis that, but I was like, just throw the stone. Don't sit there and talk with the thing that's talking back. Just throw the flipping stone, and you're gonna hit the bullseye. And to all of y'all, don't talk to it, just throw the stone.
The Lord's been speaking to me a lot about how He sees me, and I have a hard time seeing it. So when Abby asked us to ask God to show us something miraculous, what He showed me was a mirror. Every person in here, including myself, is a miracle. The way God knit you together, the way we see everything about how He created us is a miracle. And to go along with the throwing the stone, I know pheasant hunting season is over, and I've seen lots of pheasants driving out to Mark and Tracy's this week, and they all run along. And I keep looking at them going, God gave you wings, you need to fly. And I think there's people, including myself in here, that God gave us wings, and we need to fly.
I think I have a word for you too.
For me?
No, not you. You get too many words. Get out of the way. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna be way off base here, but I saw you. Like, there's something that you have for this town, not like this church, like something that like transforms the town. Like, so this is like the other side of the story. I'm just like a stay-at-home mom, but I led worship my whole, life. And not saved life. But then I went down there and I got a job, which my husband was really glad for, because then I wasn't growing plants and having animals. But I did economic development. I ended up in an economic development job. I have no idea what that is. I didn't even know what it was when I did it. Well, I went in for an interview, and there was nobody in this room, and there was a computer there with a piece of paper, and it was like, if there was this hypothetical, like, business in town, like, what would you do and say? I'm like, I don't know, because I've never done this before. But I heard the Lord say, Megan, just dream and write down whatever that dream is that you see in this town. I mean, I didn't even like the town at the time. I was like, it burns up, or these people are so mean to me, and I can't do anything here. And I just wrote this thing about, I don't even know what I wrote, but there's something, you have the ability to see things that are as they should be. And yeah, I think you have something here that is going to, like, bless this town. And it's gonna seem like off the cuff. Like, I painted a purple dinosaur that almost got me thrown out of town, but everybody around it, people heard it 6 hours away, the fiasco of what was going on, because I painted a dinosaur that we have in town that was falling apart purple, because that was the color of the comic that it came from. And my husband was like, are we gonna have to move? So I'm saying that to you because it's gonna be like, it might tip a sacred cow. So you might have to paint the dinosaur purple. And now everybody is like, the dinosaur is the best thing. We're gonna redo the park now. Like, there was a dream in the 60s to make this beautiful, fun park for kids to come and use their imagination. It was like this comic, and it was this caveman, and he would get in this time machine and he would travel all over the place, and that was what it was. But they ran out of money, and they got distracted with the everyday stuff, and it died. And there was just a dinosaur. So nobody knew, like, this huge gray dinosaur out there. And we painted it purple, and now they're like, where's the plans? We're gonna rebuild what we dreamed before. So there are dreams in this town that have been lost, and your purple dinosaur is going to that means nothing to you probably, but to me, your purple dinosaur is going to, like, make people dream again. And I know it's probably hard, because if you're like me, it was like, well, my dreams are not coming true. I was like, this girl's